are you doing, Arnie?
Pastor Daron,
Yes.
are you a good artist?
Well, I try to be.
Well, I've got a friend down here that I'd like you to make a balloon of.
Well, I can try.
Okay. I'll bring him up.
Oh, who's this?
This is my friend Parry.
Harry.
Yeah, he's a parrot.
Okay.
And he's from France.
From France.
Yeah,
I want to make a French parrot.
yeah. You reckon you could?
Well, I'll try. Here we go.
Fantastic.
So I'm going to use an orange balloon to make the parrot.
All right.
I'm going to inflate it
Mm-hmm.
almost right to the end, leaving about 6 to 7 centimetres uninflated.
Yeah, at the end.
Now I'm going to soften it
Right.
or burp it.
Ball burp it.
If you don't soften it,
You break it.
you will bust this balloon.
Right.
Okay. I'm going to start with the head
Yeah.
and make a beak.
And make a beak. Sticky
the-
beak.
Then the head.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to lock
Lock.
the knot of the end of the balloon at the neck
Right.
to form the head.
Okay.
Twist it heaps of times.
Heaps of times. Yeah, round and round and round.
Enough so when you let it go,
Yeah.
it locks like that.
Okay. Doesn't come undone.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Now bring the loop or the end of the balloon around to form a loop.
Right.
Leave it 15 to 20 centimetres above the head of the balloon
Right.
and then lock it
And lock it.
at the neck simply by
Okay.
squeezing it and twisting.
Yeah.
So you have something like that. You have a beak, a head and a loop and a long bubble.
And a long bubble. It looks good.
Now comes the hardest part of the balloon.
The hardest part.
That's right, going to bust
Mm.
the balloon. You're going to bust it now.
Okay.
I'm going to place the 3 parts of the balloon together, this long
Yeah.
section against the loop,
Right.
and leaving enough of the tail, I'm going to grab this section and twist it.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's completed,
Mm.
apart from bringing the parrot, wedging it into my loop,
Right.
simply by stretching the balloon apart carefully
Mm-hmm.
and bringing your parrot through
Into
the loop, adjusting the tail, and there you have the parrot in a swing.
All right. So the parrot's now in the loop. What do you reckon, Parry? Is that a good parrot? I think Pastor Daron's done a good job. Hey, you'd like a swing like that, wouldn't you? Yeah, fantastic, Pastor Darren.
The parrot in a swing, quite an effective balloon.
Yeah, done a good job. Yep.